Today I am teaching you how the gaseous exchange take place in our lungs. Now first of all we have to understand what is lungs. Lungs is an organ. Lungs is an organ which pures our blood by giving oxygen and taking carbon dioxide from the blood. Now lungs consist of alveoli. As you know, the unit of lungs is alveoli. Alveoli looks like this. It is a branch of grapes. You can say branch of grapes. Now, where our lungs actually position? Lungs is positioned in our thoracic cage. In our thoracic cage. This is the right lungs, this is the left lungs. And volume of left lungs is slightly smaller than volume of right lungs. Why it is so? Because here lungs give some space to our heart. To our heart. As if lungs is attached with, heart is attached with our left lungs. Okay. Now, what is happened? Thing is that from heart, the impure blood goes to lungs, and pure blood is come from lungs to heart. Clear? Now, this is the vessel and this is a tube-like structure. This is called pulmonary artery and this is called pulmonary vein. Naturally, what is happened? Artery carries good blood, that is oxygenated blood. But in case of only this, when from heart to lungs, the CO2 plus blood will go. It carries by pulmonary artery, and pulmonary vein carries O2 plus, that is pure blood, from lungs to heart. Pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood, that is impure blood, from heart to lungs, and pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. Now, suppose this is our alveoli. Now, what is happened? Each and every alveoli is covered or guarded with capillary. Each and every alveoli is covered with capillary. And capillary is a position where pulmonary artery ends and pulmonary vein start. This is a junction of ending point of pulmonary artery and starting point of pulmonary vein. Is it clear? Okay. Now, from here, the main function is occur. From here, the main function is occur. That is gaseous exchange. Suppose this is our alveoli. Clear? Now, the wall of alveoli is very thin, as we can say that it is one cell. As we can say that the thickness of alveoli is like one cell thickness. Now suppose this is our capillary. What happened to capillary? The impure blood, that is CO2 plus blood, coming in the artery, coming in the capillary, clear? And here some granules are there. This is called red blood cell. What is called? Name of this granule called red blood cell. What is the function of red blood cell? Red blood cell taking the oxygen from alveoli and make the blood pure. That is oxygen plus. Now why this happened? Here simple diffusion is taking place. Simple diffusion is taking place. What is mean by diffusion? Diffusion means diffusion is a process where more concentration of molecule goes to less concentration of molecular region. Suppose this chamber has more concentration of molecule and this chamber has less concentration of molecule. If we attach these two chamber, what will be happen? More concentration of molecule will goes to lesser concentration of molecular phase. Okay, same thing happened here. When we breathe in, what is happened? The alveoli are full of or more concentration of oxygen. So oxygen concentration will be higher in alveoli. Is it clear? And what is happening here? Here the concentration of oxygen is less. So what will happen? The molecule of oxygen from alveoli goes to capillary and catching by or taken up by RBC, and then RBC carries the oxygenated blood to the heart. Is it clear? Now, how carbon dioxide removed? Here, when we breathe in, listen carefully, when we breathe in, the percentage of carbon dioxide gases is less in alveoli, clear? And in this capillary, percentage of carbon dioxide is more. So, in the diffusion case, more concentration will be go to lesser concentration. So carbon dioxide molecule will go to alveoli. Is it clear? And this wall is very, very thin. So only the gaseous portion of carbon dioxide, which is mixed with the blood, is taken by the alveoli, and when we exhale out, what we will exhale? We will exhale more carbon dioxide than oxygen. Is it clear? This is called gaseous exchange of lungs. Thank you.